Good morning, I'm Ellie Miriam, and I'm the Closet Quilter. Welcome to the closet. Today, I have a question for you. Do you get lost when you are quilting feathers on a curve? Do you get lost on that curve? Well, I did, and I found a really neat way of using my markings to keep me on track. Let me show you. Okay, I'm continuing with feathering. I am following the markings that I've made on the quilt top. The thread, the bobbin thread, and here I go. Let's see. Get the threads, clip those threads. Just want to clip the threads, get them out of the way. All right, there. Now I'll do a little backtracking. Now, when I do backtracking, let me just stop this. When I do backtracking, I follow the trail. There's a marking here, and there's going to be a thin trail, and this is where the plume will hit. So I'm going to stop right there, start the plume, go back along the line, like that. And then backtrack some more, continue the plume, backtrack a little, continue the plume, and use that tail. You see, this is the tail, and I use this line to follow that tail. I'm going to go back along this line, following that line, and continue the other side of the feather. Following the tail. Okay, now we're even. We've got even. The feather is even. Now it's going to start to curve. Let me move the camera just slightly. See, it's starting to curve inside. So now I'm going to start the plumes and using that inside curve for the tails. You'll see what I mean. Going through the tail, the inside plume, then you have a tail, and then finishing off with plume. There. Now you can see how this works. You can see what I did here on the inside of that curve. See, I use this line that I've marked to show me where the tail is. I hope that helps you. And I hope you have a great time doing your feathers. Thanks for watching The Closet Quilter.